Hello friends, today I'm going to the city side and today I have started it by a walk. I'm going to do it alone today because the rest of the family wants to take rest. So let's see and explore the city all by myself. So let's see how it's going to be. First of all, we are going to go to the Killara train station. So I'm having a walk towards Killara train station, and this is the same park on my right side which I showed you a few days back, and from here we are moving towards the Killara train station. So let's go and meet over there. You can listen to the train. Yeah, trains are passing from here very frequently. There's one train that is passing by, and of course I'm going to get another one because the frequency is too much. Look at these flowers, they are lovely. Have to be careful about the cars because being a pedestrian here, you must walk on the footpaths, not on the roads like us, like we do in Pakistan. So we have to be careful about these things because rules matter. Everybody follows them. Just look at these beautiful white flowers on the right side. They look amazing. So now there is a narrow pathway and I'm going to cross from here. Since there is a dominant Asian population, so you can see that here is a Mandarin center and there are many other places especially for the Chinese and the Asian population. The weather here is so unpredictable. Like I just are walking and suddenly it feels like it has started raining, and people are running, so I luckily took my umbrella with me. I'm just going to use it since it's a rainy day outside. So I have decided to explore the market area inside. So let's explore what all is available here. This is a macaron shop. Then we do have a Sydney cigar house. And this is the Share Tea. Share Tea. Floral Delight. Since it's quite cold outside, so I would like to have something warm instead of some cold drink. Here we have juices, smoothies, hot coffees, cappuccino, latte, flat white, mocha, espresso, long black, ice matcha, ice Nutella chocolate, ice Nutella chocolate, that will be cold. Strawberry milkshake, coffee, chocolate, avocado, coffee or chocolate, avocado, honey milk ice. Classic smoothies. Let's see something more. So this is the feel of the marketplace. I thought I should share the marketplace experience with you, that how does the market areas look like here in Sydney. It's something like our Giga Mall, But the good thing is, the value addition is that they have added some chairs for people who want to sit and just wait while others are shopping. So this is a good thing. There is Cotton On. Here's a top sale of $15 for the warm clothing. So we can explore something from here since it's cold weather here. Wow, amazing. Look at the buildings in front of you. This building is having different colors, tiles on one side, and it looks amazing. The feel of the city is amazing. Fortune. There is some busy noodles bar. It has complete Chinese style architecture. And there is that barbecue Korean and Hang Sang, the taste of Korea. And there are these cakes. I can't actually capture the radiance of these glittering trees with my mobile camera, but trust me, they look so fabulous and radiant, attractive, with these glittering lights, sparkles all around. They really look amazing. I really like them. I really appreciate the way they have decorated the small spaces available to them. Not big additions. The small fairy lights have done their work.